Hi everyone, welcome to another Nyxt Hacker Short. Today we're going to be talking about drag select. So you might be familiar with your file manager or your desktop where you can select and drag and you can, move a bunch of files, delete them, whatever. How come you can't do this in the browser? Actually, in Nyxt you can. So if we enter our command menu, control space, and then we say select frame new buffer, you'll see that we have a command here and it says select a frame and open the links in new buffers. We click that, and now we're going to have a cursor. We take that, we click, we drag, and everything that's within this gray area is going to appear in this menu down here below. We can then further filter that and say only show me the .org sites, for example, and then we can select all of them and then instantly click, and they're just going to appear right down here in brand new tabs. Pretty cool, huh?